I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Bloxy Cola out of paper. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a few basic items like a sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, and some craft glue. For the best results, consider using cardstock or a similar sturdy paper. We'll also need a printed Bloxy Cola label template and a small cylindrical object, like a toilet paper roll, to form the base of our cola can. This project is super fun and easy. Now that we have our materials, let's prepare the label and base. Take your printed Bloxy Cola template and carefully cut it out along the edges. Next, measure your label against your cylindrical base to ensure a perfect fit. You might need to trim it slightly. Apply a thin, even layer of craft glue to the back of the label. Make sure the entire surface is covered for a smooth adhesion. This step is crucial for a professional-looking finish. With the label prepared, it's time to assemble our Bloxy Cola can. Carefully wrap the glued label around your cylindrical base, ensuring it's straight and centered. Press down firmly all around the label to secure it and smooth out any air bubbles. You want a nice, tight fit. If there's any excess paper at the top or bottom, trim it neatly. For the can's top, cut a small paper circle and glue it in place. Almost done. To complete your Bloxy Cola can, let's add some finishing touches. Cut a tiny, circular paper tab and glue it to the top of your can, mimicking a real soda can opening. You can even use a marker to draw a small pull tab detail for extra realism. For added durability and a glossy finish, you might consider applying a thin layer of clear craft sealant. Now your awesome paper Bloxy Cola is ready to be displayed. Great job crafting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.